10th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration means undoing the damages caused to the environment by humans to save Earth. The first World Environment Day was held in 1974. The purpose of World Environment Day is to spread awareness about the threat to the environment due to rising pollution and climate change. On this World Environment Day, let us make it a memorable World Environment Day for our planet by coming together to make our planet a cleaner and greener home for everyone. Let us stop harming nature, let us stop polluting it, let us bring together to make our environment a much cleaner and healthier place to live. Best wishes on this World Environment Day to all. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos.